Have you ever wondered what happened to the giant machines that changed the world of agriculture over 50 years ago? They've been forgotten, covered in dust and rust, but their power and the stories hidden within them remain. Today we're going to explore a world full of nostalgia where 10 tractors from the 1970s once stood as symbols of power and innovation. Get ready to witness these legends. I bet you won't be able to look away. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on special videos like this one. And now tell me, what's your favorite tractor? Let me know in the comments below. Released in 1971, the International Harvester 1466 was a pioneering tractor, among the first to feature a turbocharged engine, a groundbreaking technology at the time. With up to 145 horsepower, it was nicknamed the King of the Field, allowing farmers to complete their work faster than ever before. Its rugged design, distinctive red color, and the roaring sound of the DT414 engine became a symbol of power and durability, a source of pride for American farmers. Even after nearly 50 years, the 1466 is still highly sought after and restored by enthusiasts. Many of these machines were left to rust and gather dust in old barns and fields, seemingly at the end of their useful lives. However, when patiently awakened by dedicated mechanics, they still run as powerfully as they did on day one, proving their incredible timeless value and durability. What makes the 1466 truly amazing is its perfect combination of high power, exceptional reliability, and durable design. It can effortlessly pull heavy equipment and work for long hours without failure. To this day, well-maintained 1466 remain a dependable workhorse. This tractor is a truly forgotten legend, deserving to be remembered as one of the greatest machines of the 1970s, representing a golden age of agricultural engineering. Released in 1973, the Ford 8600 was a significant leap for Ford in the tractor market, proving the company wasn't just about cars. Its powerful six-cylinder engine producing 115 horsepower, combined with a unique 16-speed semi-automatic Select O-Speed transmission, made it an efficient and easy-to-operate machine. This transmission allowed the driver to shift smoothly without using a clutch, reducing fatigue during long work days, a truly groundbreaking feature at the time. Although an excellent tractor, the Ford 8600 was gradually overshadowed by newer models and fierce competition. Many were left in old barns to rust and gather moss. However, the community of Ford enthusiasts hasn't forgotten it. They hunt for parts and spend months meticulously restoring these 8600s, turning what was once a pile of scrap metal into a work of art that runs as powerfully as it did when new, preserving a valuable piece of heritage. What makes the Ford 8600 truly amazing isn't just its powerful engine, but also its simple, durable, and easy-to-maintain design. With its high reliability, this machine can work efficiently in various environments. Today, well-maintained Ford 8600s remain a dependable workhorse. It is a forgotten legend, representing an era where automotive technology and design began to influence agriculture, creating machines that were more effective than ever before. Introduced in 1972, the Massey Ferguson 1135 was one of the largest and most powerful tractors from the company at the time. With its distinctive design and 120 horsepower, it was dubbed the Red Giant. The machine was equipped with a Perkins engine, famous for its durability and high performance, allowing it to easily handle tough tasks like deep plowing or pulling large implements. The 1135 became a symbol of Massey Ferguson's reputation for quality and reliability, a name well known to farmers. The Massey Ferguson 1135 was once the dream of many farmers. Over time, however, newer generations of tractors with more advanced technology replaced it. Many 1135s ended their careers in salvage yards, forgotten and covered in rust. Yet collectors and vintage tractor enthusiasts continue to seek them out and restore them. They believe that a good tractor is more than just a tool, it's a piece of history, a living testament to the evolution of technology. The Massey Ferguson 1135 is truly amazing because it is a perfect blend of advanced technology and exceptional durability. The Perkins engine is not only powerful but also incredibly reliable. capable of running continuously for many hours. Its spacious cab, excellent visibility, and simple controls make the driver comfortable during long workdays. Today, well-cared-for 1135s remain a beast in the field, a testament to Massey Ferguson's timeless build quality and the greatness of a forgotten legend. The David Brown 1412 Selectomatic, released in 1972, was a symbol of British engineering in the tractor industry. Its most unique feature was the Selectomatic hydraulic control system, which allowed the driver to easily adjust plowing depth and other functions with a single knob, providing convenience and high efficiency. With 110 horsepower, this tractor combined raw power with sophisticated controls, creating a highly effective machine for any terrain. After David Brown was acquired by Tenneco, the brand gradually disappeared, and the 1412 became a forgotten relic. Many were abandoned, their engines rusted, and hydraulic systems defunct. But for those in the know, the David Brown 1412 is still a rare gem. They seek out old machines, meticulously restoring every detail, from the engine to the complex Selectomatic system, to resurrect a legend and preserve a vital part of mechanical history. The David Brown 1412 Selectomatic is amazing because it represents a breakthrough in tractor technology. The Selectomatic system was more than just a feature, it was a design philosophy aimed at optimizing work efficiency. Its durable engine and robust chassis made it a reliable tractor capable of operating in harsh conditions. Although no longer in production, the 1412 remains a source of pride for British tractor enthusiasts and a testament to the innovation of a bygone era. Released in 1973, the John Deere 4030 was part of the legendary 40 Series tractors, one of John Deere's best-selling lines. This machine was equipped with a 90-horsepower six-cylinder engine, known for its durability and reliable performance. The John Deere 4030 quickly became an indispensable tool on medium and large-scale farms, helping farmers significantly increase productivity with its stable and powerful operation. Like many other legends, the John Deere 4030 was eventually replaced by newer models. Many of these machines were left to sit in warehouses, forgotten and covered in dust. However, thanks to a widespread parts network and the dedication of its fans, these 4030s are still being found, restored, and used today. They are a testament to the lasting quality and enduring value of the John Deere brand, a leader in the agricultural industry. The John Deere 4030 is truly amazing because it's a perfect combination of a simple, repairable design and high performance. Its improved hydraulic system made it easy for drivers to operate implements. This tractor is more than just a tool. It's an icon of agricultural culture, representing the golden age of John Deere. It proves that a smart, durable design can withstand the test of time and still retain its value. Released in 1972, the Allis-Chalmers 200 was one of the most powerful tractors from the company. Its 100-horsepower six-cylinder diesel engine could easily pull heavy implements, outperforming many of its contemporaries. This tractor was known for its simple, solid design and vibrant orange color, which made it stand out in any field. It represented Allis-Chalmers' effort to create powerful and reliable machines. Despite its many advantages, the Allis-Chalmers 200 was gradually forgotten as the company faced difficulties and was eventually acquired. Many of these tractors were abandoned with damaged engines and rusty bodies. However, for those who love the Allis-Chalmers brand, the 200 is still a rare gem. They dedicate time and effort to restore it, preserving a piece of American agricultural history and proving that the beauty of a powerful machine cannot fade. The Allis-Chalmers 200 is truly amazing because it was a powerful, durable machine built for heavy-duty work. Its design was very intuitive, making it easy for drivers to learn and operate. This tractor is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of a brand that was once one of the giants of the agricultural industry, a forgotten legend that still retains its value and power. It's a testament to an era where manufacturers focused on raw strength and reliability. Introduced in the 1960s but widely popular and produced well into the 70s, the Belarus MTZ-50 is an icon of Soviet tractors. With a simple yet extremely rugged and durable design, This machine had 55 horsepower and was mass-produced to serve large-scale agriculture. It was famous for its ability to operate in any harsh weather condition, from the biting cold of Siberia to the scorching heat of the desert. Millions of MTZ-50s were produced and exported worldwide. Many of these machines were forgotten on farms across Europe and Asia, seemingly destined for the scrap heap. However, their durability amazes many. MTZ-50s that had been abandoned for years could often be started again with just a few simple repairs, a testament to its design philosophy: simple, effective, and reliable. The Belarus MTZ-50 is truly amazing due to its unparalleled simplicity and durability. Every component was designed to be easily repaired and maintained, even with a lack of tools and parts. It didn't need high technology or expensive components, just reliability and raw power. The MTZ-50 is a forgotten legend, representing a different engineering philosophy where durability was the top priority and a tractor had to work in any circumstance. The Fiat 640, released in 1970, was one of the most popular tractors from Italy and across Europe. With its 64-horsepower four-cylinder diesel engine, it was known for its versatility, fuel efficiency, and stable performance. The Fiat 640 quickly became a top choice for small and medium-sized farms worldwide. Its 12-speed transmission allowed the driver to easily adjust speed, making it suitable for a variety of tasks, from plowing to towing trailers. Although produced in large numbers, many Fiat 640s were forgotten as newer technology emerged. They were left to sit in old barns with rusted engines and damaged bodies. However, thanks to their simple design and high durability, these machines are still sought after by many for restoration. They are not just tools, but also a part of Italian agricultural history, a testament to the success of an intelligently designed tractor. The Fiat 640 is truly amazing because it proves that power isn't everything. Its efficiency, durability, and ease of use helped it become a legend. It could work reliably for many years without complex maintenance. This tractor is a testament to the finesse of Italian engineering, a forgotten legend that is still valued and used by those who understand its worth. The Oliver 1855, released in 1970, was one of the largest and most powerful tractors from the Oliver Company. With its 135-horsepower six-cylinder diesel engine, it featured a convenient hydraulic transmission and power steering, advanced features for the era. This tractor was a symbol of Oliver's innovation and strength in the early 70s, representing its effort to compete with major rivals like John Deere and International Harvester. After Oliver was acquired by the White Motor Company, the brand gradually faded away. The 1855 was also forgotten, with many left abandoned on farms and covered in dust. However, for enthusiasts, the Oliver 1855 is considered one of the best tractors of its time. They seek out old machines, meticulously restoring and preserving them as a piece of history, a testament to the dedication of those who love these machines. The Oliver 1855 is truly amazing because it represents an era when tractor manufacturers were competing to create the most powerful machines. Its durable engine and advanced technology made it a reliable tool, capable of handling the toughest jobs in the field. This tractor is a forgotten legend, a testament to the innovation of a once-famous brand, a true gem in the world of vintage tractors. The Deutz D8006, released in 1974, was a prime example of a German tractor. Its special feature was a four-cylinder air-cooled diesel engine, which reduced weight and maintenance costs compared to liquid-cooled engines. With 75 horsepower, this tractor was famous for its durability, fuel efficiency, and ability to operate effectively in all conditions, from high mountain ranges to drylands. Although very popular in Europe, the Deutz D8006 was gradually forgotten as newer generations of liquid-cooled tractors emerged. Many were left on farms to rust. However, for those in the know, the D8006 is still a rare gem. They seek out and restore old machines, understanding that its air-cooled engine is not only unique but also incredibly reliable. The Deutz D8006 is truly amazing due to its simple yet effective design philosophy. The air-cooled engine made it more reliable, with fewer parts to break down and easier to repair. This tractor is a testament to the sophistication of German engineering, a forgotten legend that still holds its value. It's one of the most beloved classic tractors, a symbol of German durability and quality. It was incredible to see these legendary machines, wasn't it? From the power of the International Harvester 1466, the durability of the Belarus MTZ-50, to the classic beauty of the Ford 8600. Though forgotten, each tractor carries a story of progress and of the farmers who trusted them to change their lives. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support us. See you in the next exciting video.